The Algorand digital currency is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is as of now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it takes care of the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's versatility, while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is accepted that this new computerized organization will work on the proficiency of the standard monetary framework, and its convention will work with the smooth course of monetary standards. Algorand is a decentralized and open blockchain framework, the principal objective of which is to make a blockchain stage open to everybody, growing the capacities of clients. The principal elements of the Algo stage are high throughput and moment obviousness, which give amazing straightforwardness. Because of this, clients can rapidly and economically move Algo cryptographic money. Algorand value investigation. Prior to going with any speculation choices, doing some sort of preliminary work is important. In this way, you ought to do your own exploration and dissect the value history to find repeating examples and pointers with the goal that the worth of your speculations wouldn't plunge. As indicated by the Algorand cost forecasts, this computerized money might develop soon. Likewise, numerous crypto specialists emphatically evaluate the eventual fate of Algo, and we trust that over the long run, and with appropriate turn of events, the cost of Algorand will proceed with its development pattern. Algorand genuine cost. As of October 18, the Algorand cost today is $1.73. The cost has changed by $0.08645 as of now. Algorand has altogether 10 billion Algo tokens available for use. The unsurpassed most elevated Algo cost is $3.674475. The most minimal and listed cost of Algo is $0.0988663. On the off chance that you intend to purchase Algorand coins, the best and most secure spot for it is a worldwide digital money trade. At our foundation for Moment Crypto Coins by best rates, beneficial exchanging offers by our fiat to crypto exchanging accomplices, and expert client assistance are ensured to you. Market expectations. Coin arbitrage specialists accept that Algorand is a promising digital currency that might show new pinnacles. In the long haul, Algo might end up being a wise speculation. In 2022, the Algo cost may be $1.26. As per the Wallet Investor's Algorand cost expectation, it tends to be a productive speculation and might be exchanged for $2.026 toward the finish of 2021 and $6.740 toward the finish of 2025. Algorand value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Algorand will be $0.349965. The greatest level that the Algo cost can reach is $0.439956. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.359964. Likely return on initial capital investment, 62.9% by Algo value estimate for February 2023. In light of the value variances of Algorand toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Algo pace of $0.279972 in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.249975 and at $0.289971 separately. Expected return on initial capital investment, 7.4% by WAC 2023. Algorand value figure cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the Algo cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.279972, while the most extreme could reach $0.29997 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around $0.289971. Expected return on initial capital investment, 11.1% by Algo value estimate for April 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value variances of Algorand in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Algo rate they anticipate may be around $0.29997 in April 2023. It can drop to $0.279972 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.309969. Likely return for money invested, 14.8% by May 2023. Algorand value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The Algo cost will be exchanged at $0.29997 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Algorand worth to $0.329967. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.289971 in May 2023. Likely return for capital invested, 22.2% by Algo value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Algorand costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023 $0.309969. The most reduced and top algo rates may be $0.289971 and $0.339966. Likely return on initial capital investment, 25.9% by July 2023. Algorand value gauge crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the algo cost will be around $0.319968. In July 2023, the Algorand cost might drop to at least $0.29997. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.359964 in July 2023. Likely return for money invested, 33.3% by Algo value conjecture for August 2023. Having dissected Algorand costs, digital currency specialists expect that the algo rate could arrive at a limit of $0.369963 in August 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0.309969. For August 2023, the estimated normal of Algorand is almost $0.319968. Likely return for capital invested, 37% by September 2023. Algorand value figure around mid-2023. The Algorand cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.339966. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the algo cost could vary somewhere in the range of $0.329967 and $0.389961. Possible return on initial capital investment, 44.4% by Algo value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Algorand worth won't dip under at least $0.329967. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $0.409959. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0.339966. Likely return on initial capital investment, 51.8% by November 2023. Algorand value gauge cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of algo costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Algorand will be around $0.419958, with a chance of dropping to at least $0.339966. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $0.349965. Possible return on initial capital investment, 55.5% by Algo value estimate for December 2023. In light of the value changes of Algorand toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical algo pace of $0.359964 in December 2023. Its base and grade